Seoul.
Seoul breathes in contrasts, where morning light spills over palace rooftops, brushing against the quiet stone of history. The hum of the city stirs, slow at first, a rhythm carried through narrow alleys and wide streets lined with restless footsteps. By day, tradition lingers in the air, the scent of tea, the warmth of street vendors, the silence of temples standing still amid the rush of a city that never stops. Then comes night. The skyline burns in neon, reflections dancing on the Han like a fever dream. Glass and steel stretch toward the sky, while headlights carve their way through the dark. The city pulses, electric and alive, a different kind of beauty, a different kind of story. Seoul is not just seen, it is felt.